Hi, it's Ty Wilde, and I'd like to thank you for your interest in Alpine Homes. The process of buying a home from a home builder can be confusing, so please give me a quick moment to explain the process. Taking just a few minutes to watch this video should give you some clarity and hopefully save you some time as you search for the perfect home. Most people start with an online search. If you haven't done this yet, you can go to alpinehomes.com to gather information. Or you're always welcome to call or stop by the model home. I would love to personally answer any of your questions, and I will never pressure you into buying something you don't want or that isn't right for you. I promise. My job as a new home sales specialist is to help people like you find a home that gives you the features you need and want. So, let me tell you a little bit about Alpine Homes and why it makes sense to buy a home from us. First, we include a lot of great features that other home builders charge extra for. Every Alpine home includes at no additional charge professional front yard landscaping, 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, 2x6 exterior walls for a more energy efficient home, upgraded granite countertops, a grand master bathroom, and many, many more. Second, our pricing for additional upgrades is very fair. Many home builders have huge profit margins on their upgrades, not us. Third, we really do care about you. Being a mid-sized home builder means we can build the home at a better price than most builders, but just as important, you will not be treated like a number. We will know your name and strive to make the home building process fun and exciting for you. Fourth, we are professionals. I've been selling new construction homes for well over a dozen years, and I've helped more than 400 families. I've been through the ups and downs of the market, and I know how to guide people through the process of building, buying, and selling a home. Fifth, Alpine Homes will build you a beautiful, high-quality home, one that you can be very proud of, and we will be there for you long after you've closed on your home. This list is the reason I work for Alpine Homes. As a new home sales specialist, it's important to me that I represent a home builder that cares about its clients, builds high-quality homes, and doesn't rip people off. We are all in good hands with Alpine Homes. Quick side note, in many of our communities, we only build spec homes, so building a home from scratch may not be an option. That being said, we carefully select the most desirable options for these homes, and they are always gorgeous. Now, for those of you that have decided you're ready to move forward, let me explain that part of the process. The first step is to call me right away and schedule an appointment. If you hesitate even just for a few hours, someone else could take the home or home site that you want. Next, before our appointment, call our listed lender to get a loan approval. I can text you the phone number. When you come to the appointment, don't forget your checkbook. Every real estate transaction needs an earnest money check. It's required by law that we deposit your earnest money into a non-interest bearing account. So yes, your check will be cashed. Once you deliver the earnest money, I'll send you the contract to sign digitally. Once you've signed the contract, I'll forward it to my boss. It can take a few days to finalize the details, but once the contract is signed, it's official, the home is yours. If you're buying one of our quick move-in homes, we'll set a closing date and make sure your loan is in place so there are no delays. You will have the opportunity to walk through the home with one of our representatives to ensure that not only the home is delivered to our high standards, but also to show you how your home works. If you're building a home, we'll quickly get you into our design center. If you go this route, you will need to leave additional deposits depending on how much you add in upgrades. If you decide to use your own lender, you will be required to leave a 50% deposit on the options you select. The deposit is only 33% if you use our listed lender. So as an example, if you add $30,000 in upgrades, you'd need to give us an additional $15,000 when using your lender. Or only $10,000 if you use our lender. Got it? Okay, so the process from the time you sign off at the design center to the day you close on your home will take 4 to 6 months. So just sit back and relax. If at any time during the course of building your home you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm here to help you, and I sincerely want to make sure you have a great experience building your beautiful Alpine home. Like I said earlier, I've been selling homes for over a dozen years, and I take a lot of pride in taking care of my clients, you. I've created dozens of videos to help you understand not only how to buy a home and why it's important, but to also help you understand the new construction industry. I'll put links to some of my most popular videos below. Remember that I'm just a phone call away. I know you have questions, so call me right now. Well, unless it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, but sincerely, I would be honored to guide you through the process of owning a brand new home. If you have a home to sell first, it's okay. I can help you with that too. My phone number is below. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you have a beautiful day. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative real estate and new home construction videos. Thank you.